Alright, what's really going on? Bitcoin cryptocurrency, currently Cardano price action. We're looking at interacting with this bullish area of accumulation, in my opinion, between $1.42 as resistance and $1.18 as support. We have this key range of potential accumulation here that we are awaiting confirmation of. We have the most significant technical key level here, $1.31 at the moment, is awaiting confirmation of as support or resistance. Currently overhead as resistance, in my opinion. If the daily candles were to continue to open and close below it, we could then anticipate further interaction downward toward this $1.18 level, also interacting with that 0.382 Fibonacci rigatoni line at $1.20, further suggesting the technical significance present. We also have buy pressure all the way down to 98 cents. In my opinion, I can remain bullish on the uptrend for Cardano as long as 98 cents remains as support. If we were to fail to hold that level, then maybe we can anticipate some real downside to present itself here. But at the moment, we are interacting with buy pressure, and overall cryptocurrency does feel very bullish still, in my personal opinion. Always await the confirmations. Technically, we have been awaiting the most bullish area of accumulation ever since the 19th of September here. Two of our chosen three Robo advisors have been bearish on Cardano ever since $2.28. Since then, we've diminished in value up to 48% over the following couple months here, as we await the most bullish area of accumulation suggested by some technical parameters, in addition to Robo advisors returning. This combination of buy signals allowed you to experience up to 126% in upside over the following 30 days after the bullish area of accumulation suggested near $1.37. Prices rose past the $3 level, allowing you to well over double your money with EngineeringRobo on Cardano. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, EngineeringRobo suggested you take profit near that $2.28 level, allowing you to capitalize on 65% ROI if you utilized EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions. EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher areas of accumulation and take profit. And so it is key to pick three of the many different Robo advisors available, and once two of your chosen three become bullish or bearish, you can use that to better determine your entries and exits. At the moment, all three of our Robo advisors are bearish on price action as we await support suggested by these technical key levels, in addition to these candle wicks below the bodies there. These lengthy lower candle wicks suggest the buy pressure is very much present. So technically, we are just awaiting further confirmations of support. We do have that interaction with the buy for on the 9th of November, suggesting the buy pressure and demand for Cardano up within this $2 level. Fundamentally very bullish still, technically just not ready yet. So we're awaiting confirmations of support down below and buy signals to return, in my opinion, to become more comfortably bullish on accumulation. Let me know your thoughts on Cardano down below. Now we're looking at coin symbol FLM interacting with key levels here. Price action under the influence of sell signals ever since the end of November here. Two of our chosen three Robo advisors suggesting downside ever since the 27th of November, around 54 cents. Since then, price action has diminished up to 44% over the following few days here. Currently still 29% down since those sell suggestions, as we interact with this key level of significance here, 38 cents. In my opinion, 0.3835 is the key level that we need daily candles opening and closing above or below to confirm as support or resistance. Currently, that's overhead as resistance, giving price action a hard time. And if we do confirm that level as resistance, we can very much anticipate an interaction downward here toward this 30-cent key level, which is where support may be found here for us. We do have very bullish interactions with it throughout the months of July and the end of June of this year. So in my opinion as well, we also have a technical higher low on the 4th of December, with price action swinging all the way down to like near 30 cents and then returning to 42 cents with the daily candles close. That is a higher low relative to the swing on the 20th of July. So in my opinion, that is a very bullish interaction with support, suggesting the strength of an uptrend overall. However, we did print this lower high with price action throughout November relative to this interaction with resistance at 78 cents that we experienced throughout August there. So we have a lower high but a higher low. We're looking for continued confirmations of support and buy signals to return to become more bullish on accumulation. If support is confirmed at 38 cents, my target for this coin is going to be 59 cents. However, if resistance is confirmed, we're looking for continued support down near 30 cents. Let me know down below where you think prices will go. Now, coin symbol TROY price action looking for support down below. We have the 200 daily moving average suggesting buy pressure present at key level 0.011190. This 1 cent level is going to be a key area of support here. We are looking for further confirmation of. We also have drawn technical key level of significance 0.010953 as an area of support. We need daily candles interacting with and opening and closing above to further confirm as support, so we can become more bullish on the uptrend here suggested by price action above this 200 daily moving average. A bullish interaction off of it would be very healthy for the uptrend here forming. Price action looking for continued support down below. If support has been confirmed, I'm looking for interaction with resistance overhead. My immediate short-term target for this coin, 0.015758, is going to be the key area of significant resistance that we will have to break and confirm as support. Once support is found at that key level, my next target is going to be in the 2 cent range. 0.024122 is the next key level of resistance I am looking for interaction with. We have buy pressure all the way down to 0.008957. In my opinion, that is going to be the last key level I am looking for interaction with as support before we can switch our bullish or bearish POVs. Currently under the influence of sell signals. Technically, we have this bearish cross here throughout the 7th of November, and a sell 4 has come into play with the December 9th daily candle, suggesting a perhaps a move downward here towards support. So if we can hold this key level of support down below, we can become bullish on this uptrend forming. Once the buy signals have returned and 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish again, we can become more bullish on comfortable accumulation. So await the buy signals and confirmations of support. In my opinion, let me know your thoughts on price action. Now, this is coin symbol STPT. Price action under the influence of sell signals. Technically, all 3 of our chosen robo advisors have been suggesting downside ever since the beginning of December here. Currently, resistance is overhead at 13 cents. We're looking for support down below, interaction with 8 cents. Daily candles bouncing off of it, opening and closing above it would confirm it as support and a bullish area of accumulation. We also have this 200 daily moving average as well, just down below in that 8 cent level, also suggesting bullish buy pressure down below for us. And so if we can have a bullish interaction with this 200 daily moving average, a bounce off it would be very healthy for the longer term uptrend. We are awaiting further confirmations of support and buy signals to return, though, to become more comfortably bullish on accumulation. Failure to hold 8 cents will send price action all the way down to the next area of support near 5 cents. Once 8 cents becomes support, I'm looking for interaction with resistance overhead at that 13 cent level. Once we've broken it and confirmed that as support, my next target is going to be this swing high here up near 29 cents. And so let me know down below where you think prices will go. This combination of robo advisors did allow you to experience what appears to be up to 389% in upside right before this coin spiked. If you accumulated near the 6 cent level, prices then rose to that 29 cents. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, technically our robo advisors suggested you close your position near the 12 cent level, allowing you to capitalize on 99% ROI if you utilize those buy and sell suggestions. And so easily doubling your money with EngineeringRobo. We're looking for those buy signals to return and confirmations of support in my personal opinion. Now, Ethereum price action looking for support down below. The strongest area of buy pressure is still $3,923 per Ethereum until daily candles suggest otherwise. This is going to be a very bullish area of support. Price action falling through this key level we were interacting with in the previous analysis video here, $4,286 per Ethereum, failing to support price action. We're looking for stronger support down below. Nothing wrong with that. Interaction with resistance suggested $4,460 per Ethereum, giving us a hard time. We also can see that that buy one has not returned with that daily candle we were seeing it interacting with. So we saw interactions with a buy signal within that daily candle, suggesting the buy pressure is very, very much present fundamentally. However, technically we just may not be ready yet. So I can anticipate further interactions within this range printed by the December 4th daily candle. In my opinion, prices interacting within this $3,000 range, potentially all the way down to $3,581 would not be impossible for Ethereum Ethereum to do, and still anticipate a perhaps $6 to maybe even $9,000 Ethereum. If you were to consider actually the fear and greed index for Ethereum, we can see that price action may not be under the influence of significant fundamental sell pressure until $7,500 per Ethereum. So my opinion, I am still very bullish on the longer term uptrend. Technically, this is just a very nice time to be accumulating. So buy at support, in my opinion, $3,928 is still support until daily candles confirm it as resistance. Let me know your thoughts on Ethereum at current levels. We're going to swap over to Bitcoin and see price action interacting with previous support level $48,600 as resistance at the moment, suggesting further interactions downward here. Never fear, support is near. The 200 daily moving average is just below price action, interacting with the $46,000 key level. We also have the 0.618 Fibonacci Illuminati line, $44,000 per Bitcoin, waiting to give us support and technical buy pressure. We also have a key level waiting for us at $43,000 per Bitcoin. So there's just technical buy pressure out the wazoo here for us. Fundamentally, Bitcoin is more bullish than ever, in my opinion. I do believe the demand and buy pressure for Bitcoin is very much present and was just as present back throughout the 60K range. There was plenty of traders accumulating within that sideways, and so I do believe there is even more traders accumulating during this move downward here. It's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. There's only better times. Technically, we have been anticipating a bullish time to buy Bitcoin ever since the 16th of November. Since those sell signals, we have experienced up to 30% in downside, and so once these buy signals do return, we can get very bullish the upside moving forward. So at the moment, use this to perhaps trade the volatility, accumulate through the lows, look for continued interaction throughout this 40K range here once resistance is confirmed. Once we've confirmed support again and we see some buy signals, we can get ready for the moon, in my opinion. Let me know down below where you think prices will go. Let me know in the comment section coin you'd like to see in the next video. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.